Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want your AI images to look like the same person, style or brand every time, the Nano Banana model inside OpenArt is designed for exactly that, consistency across generation. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to create consistent images with Nano Banana on OpenArt in 2026, clean and repeatable. Okay, so first thing first, select the Nano Banana model like OpenArt, go to image generator. Okay, choose Nano Banana model. Okay, so wait until it opens. So as you can see here, you have the model here. Okay, so use it. Okay, so here this model is optimized for consistency. Okay, so create a strong base prompts, like write a detailed identity prompts, like include face details, age, gender, features, hairstyle, color, clothing style, lighting, camera style. For example, we have here realistic female, 20 years old, long black hair, clear skin, soft natural lightning, Instagram style. Okay, so save this prompt, don't change it. Okay, generate your base image, like create 3 to 5 versions, pick the best one. This becomes your reference. Okay, use reference image, so this is critical, like upload your chosen image as reference, so enable image guidance if available. This locks identity, and this is the secret to consistency. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.